Today I have 5 red, white, and blue DIYs for you. Stay tuned. Looking for some patriotic inspiration? Keep watching. Today is the 5 under $5 monthly challenge hosted by Emily at Farm Charmed Chic and Missi at Crafty Cove DIY, and I'm excited to be the co-host today. Be sure and check out Emily and Missi's channels listed in the description box below, and you'll get lots of inspiration. There's also a playlist for all of your red, white, and blue needs. Project number 1 is a red, white, and blue wreath. I'm going to be using this wreath form from Dollar Tree, as well as these 2 ribbons from Dollar Tree, and this blue ribbon, I'm not sure where it came from. I'm going to be using about 7 inches of ribbon, and I'm going to cut these into strips until I just have a pile of them. I'm also going to be cutting the ends in a dovetail shape. Now I'm going to fold the ribbon strips in half, and I'm going to slide them around that outside ring. And I am slightly overlapping each ribbon. Then I'll be using hot glue to attach it together. I'll continue in this manner all the way around the wreath, cutting more ribbon as needed. Now once I get to this crossbar section, I do have to split the ribbon, but it's not going to show because the split part will be at the back. So I'm just going to cut it right there where that cross part is going to go, and then I'm just going to continue gluing it together. And here's a look at it once it's completed with that outside ring. Now I'm going to continue and do the same thing with the blue ribbon. I'm going to cut those 7-inch strips, dovetail the ends, and glue them around the middle ring of the wreath form. And once that's complete, we're going to do it one more time with a thinner ribbon this time. I did not dovetail the ends of the thin ribbon, I just cut them at an angle. I didn't have quite enough ribbon to go all the way around, but that's going to be fine because I'm going to cover up that top part anyway. Now I'm using this Dollar Tree sign, and I'm going to attach it to the wreath form along with this bow, also from Dollar Tree. I am removing the tails at the bottom. Now I am using 2 pieces of wire in the holes that were at the top of the sign to wire it to the wreath form. I am so happy with the way this turned out, and I have to thank my sweet cousin Laura who taught me how to make this wreath. Project number 2 is a measuring stick star. I found this measuring stick at an estate sale for $2.99, and I'm simply going to unfold it and make it into the shape of a star. It was a little trickier than you might think. And now I'm going to make a very simple bow using that same blue ribbon from the last wreath. And I'm also going to add some burlap ribbon and a flag to it. I secured the bow with this thin twine, and then I used some jute twine to go around the middle of it. I added this simple strip of burlap ribbon to the back of the bow. I secured the bow onto one side of the star using some thin twine, and then I added a flag. What do you think so far of these red, white, and blue door hangers? Project number 3 is a flag pillow. I got this chair cover from Dollar Tree, and I really didn't expect it to be the size that it was. It's for a very large chair back. So what I did was I opened it up and I added in a regular size bed pillow. Now this was a cheaper bed pillow, so it wasn't really full, so it fit nicely into this chair cover. You could sew this, but I just used hot glue along the edge, and that worked fine to hold the pillow in place. It doesn't get much more simple than this, and I think it turned out great. Project number 4 are some red, white, and blue bowl fillers. These are plastic balls from Dollar Tree along with red, white, and blue fabric from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be cutting strips of fabric and then tearing them so that they have kind of a rough edge. And I didn't need as many of these as I thought I would, but it did take some time, so I just sat in front of the TV while I ripped all of these pieces. Now for this project, I did use the Mod Podge that's made for fabric, and I just brushed it along the edge of the ball and then added a strip all the way around. I continued to add strips of fabric in the opposite direction until all of the white ball was covered. Once it was completely covered, I started on the next ball. and one more time with the red fabric. I added these balls to a basket along with a nautical rope ball from Dollar Tree. The red metal star finishes it off nicely. Project number 5 also uses this same fabric. I'm going to be making some primitive flags. So I'm again going to be ripping the fabric to the size that I want and then adding some denim to the top corner of each flag. For one flag, I'm using this dark denim, and for the other flag, I'm going to be using a lighter wash denim. I'm going to attach the denim to the flag using hot glue, and then I have cut out a heart from the opposite fabric to glue onto the denim. Once both flags are complete, I'm going to glue them on to some dowel rods. I added my flags and another flag and styled it in a milk glass vase. I hope that you've enjoyed these red, white, and blue DIYs for this patriotic season, and I hope that you'll check out the playlist in the description box below, as well as Missi and Emily's channels. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.